I'm Alana from BIMSearch. This video is for those of you who want to add apps to your Autodesk BIM 360 or ACC account, but the Apps tab is missing from your account homepage. This video will take you step by step through the process of adding the Apps tab to your homepage. It's not difficult to do, but it's a little bit fiddly. So if you prefer to read your information, check out the link to the Help Center post below. Okay, so what do you do if the Apps tab is missing on your account homepage? The short answer is you send Autodesk an email. The longer answer is you have to send them a specific email with your account ID, account name, and the email address. I assume you already know your account name and email address, but I don't expect anyone to have their account ID memorized, so I'm going to show you how to find that. To find the account ID, you need to log into the account admin and go to the settings page. It's easier to find with ACC, just go to Account Admin, Settings, and there you have it. To find your BIM 360 account ID, you also need to go to the Account Admin page and then Settings, but after that you have to press the little View Account ID button, which is randomly in the bottom left corner. See? There it is. Well, apart from the fact that I've hidden it from you. Once you have all your account information, you're ready to send the email. Make sure the subject is BIM 360 Docs API Activation Request. The email doesn't need to be fancy. I go for the simple, "Hi, here's my account information. Please can you activate the apps for my account?" Then add in your account ID, name and email. Obviously you would use your real ones rather than my key bashing jobby. And that's it. Autodesk should reply and update you when it's all set up, and then you can get started enjoying Autodesk's Partner Integrations. If you have any questions or want a hand getting it done, drop us a comment or send us an email and we'll help you out.